Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Ulike app. You will go to settings. Then here in this page you can go to apps, default apps, app settings. When above you can search about Ulike and you can click. Then you can go to first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.